In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the trim function in Excel 2016. So the trim function, the syntax is equals trim, then in parentheses your text or the location of the cell that you want trimmed. And so the trim function removes spaces at the beginning and end of text. So let's go over to our Excel spreadsheet, and we're going to go over to N1. We're going to type first. And in O1, we're going to type last. And in 2, we're going to go to our Formula tab. We're going to click Text. We're going to go to Trim. And what are we trimming? We're going to trim. I'm going to back up and trim. I want to trim B2. Click OK. And in O2, I want to trim. So recently used trim. And I want C2. Click OK. Because if you notice, if you click over here, see if there's any extra spaces. There doesn't seem to be any extra spaces. But just in case there are, because a lot of times when you import information from another document, somehow you get extra spaces put in there. You know, somebody might have taken the information from somewhere else, or they may have just accidentally gotten multiple, they've broken first and last names apart from one cell that's been merged together, and they end up with spaces in front or back of the word that they typed in. So then we've copied it down, and so it should only be, the only thing should be in there is the text itself. There shouldn't be any spaces before or after the text. And that's how you trim your text in Excel 2016.